Okay, so we're gonna put the phone holder in. You just gotta get a little bitty plastic pry tool. And this side, I've already propped it up. And you gotta kind of pull forward. See how that works right there? It kind of has to, when you put it back on, do like that. It's hard to do. Yeah, okay. Unplug that, which I already have. Okay, 2 7mm. Let me see, double check, yeah. 7, bam. 7 and 7. Okay. What do you think, Mama? It's got to bend a little bit, huh? Okay. All right. So we made the mistake of trying to install this piece first. It couldn't work like that. You need room to be able to slide this piece in between the bar and your diller. So fits pretty good. It's not spring loaded. It screws down. So I think Mama likey. Amazon fold holder for a Jeep 2010 Wrangler JK.